Welcome to Spring LIB.
The driving drum V has a constant angular acceleration of 120 radian per second square counterclockwise, and the magnitude of the acceleration of the build at point C is to be determined when time t is equal to zero point 0.5 second, and in another case time t is 2 second. Now, the tangential acceleration can be calculated as alpha t is equal to r times alpha. So that will be equivalent to 25 into 10 to power minus 3 into 120. So that will be 3 meter per second square downward. Okay. This downward arrow represents its direction. Now let's consider its a first case when the time t is 0.5 second. So we can write the formula that omega is equal to omega 0 plus alpha t. Let's put the values here. So it's a 0 plus 120 into, now our time period is 0.5. So instead of t, that will be 0.5 equivalent to 60 radian per second. Then the normal acceleration can be calculated as, let me say as an, or an is equivalent to r times omega square. So that will be equivalent to 60 square into 25 into 10 to power minus 3, which is equivalent to 90 meter per second square horizontally right. This arrow represents the direction again over here, the direction of acceleration. Now, thus the total acceleration at point C can be calculated as, let me write at AC. A represent acceleration, C represent at point C, is square root of AT square plus AN square. That means the tangential acceleration and the normal acceleration. So we will have 3 square plus 90 square, which gives the answer 90.05 meter per second square. Now, let's consider the second case wherever we are having time t is equal to 2 seconds. So in that case, omega will be, again we are going to use same formula, omega 0, that is 0, plus alpha t, that means alpha is 120 and t is 2 in our case. So omega will be 240 radian per second. Now the normal acceleration can be calculated as an is equal to r omega square, but we have both the quantities, so it's 25 into 10 to power minus 3 into 240 square. So the answer will be 1440 meter per second square horizontally right direction. And lastly, the total acceleration at point C can be calculated as, for time t is equal to 2 seconds is the square root of at square plus an square at already we have, that is 3 square plus an right now is 1440 square. So this will give the answer. AC is equivalent to 1440 meter per second square.